Make una come hear wetin Chief James Ibori tell politicians wey don comot for power.
My people, we greet una, welcome una specially to this our channel. Una know say na latest updated updates na we dey carry come for una for this channel. So abeg, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Abeg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una.
Chief James Ibori, wey be one time governor of Delta State, don send one kind strong message like this give people and politicians wey don comot for power. According to am, e talk say after all the whole political positions, na im dem go know who and who be the king of the jungle. My people, una need to see this one make I play una the video, make una watch and hear wetin Chief James Ibori talk for this one. Make una watch the video.
Be that as it may, she started the journey. She went to the house a second time with all the promises that was made to her. And you know politicians, they know how to renege on promises. They reneged. But I said to her, carry on. When she started the race for the House of Reps, I also resisted it. I said, Take, do you really want to do this? Because one thing I want her to do or to know, and I believe she's learning to do that, is try to live your life outside of political office. Outside of public office, you must survive. Once you do not put that in place, then you become a slave. You become a slave. You must know that one day there will be an end to the public office. When you are there, do your best to serve the interests of your own people. You put your people first before politics. Put your people first before pecuniary interests. Put your people first before political interests. Take, you know that's what I stand for. And I'm sure you believe in that. As you go, whatever you do in the House of Reps, remember you represent the constituency. Remember you represent the state. Remember you represent the Robo people. We are very proud people. Don't do anything to compromise. To compromise the interest of the people. No matter what. Money will come and go. What will last is what you stand for. A few days before May 29th, I posted something. And I said, in 5 days' time, it will be 16 years since I left office. People will become farmer.
That's all.
And they are farmer now.
Where did he go? That's all.
Sooner or later, we will know the animal that has the jungle.
That's all. Where did he go? That's all. The owner of the jungle. The jungle himself. Hey.
Hey my people, this na Chief James Ibori wey be governor, wey be one time governor for Delta State. I think about 16 years na e dey now wey e comot for office. Na im dey talk now, dey send message give politicians wey don still comot for power. Say that e take end am just start. Say na if you don comot for power, na you go know who and who be the king of the jungle. Anyway, na the updates we carry come for now like this be this. Make una drop una comment and una reason and una see am, and make una no forget to like and share. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.